Hello everyone. So today I will explain how to use Bootstrap, MUI and Tailwind CSS in your projects. Like you are working in like HTML, CSS or JS project or like in React or Angular project. So in that you can easily import Bootstrap, MUI and Tailwind CSS and usually you can use that is like Bootstrap, MUI and Tailwind. It is a framework. Let's see. I'll explain. Like first is Bootstrap. So in that Bootstrap I imported the link of CDN link that is related to link and script tag. So I imported in this Visual Studio Code in that C link and script tag. And if I will run this code, so it will show in C. It is working. Like submit. I am using Bootstrap classes. That's why it's working. See, I use button class BTN success. So that's how we can use for Bootstrap. And if you are using for React, so easily you can install like npm I Bootstrap and easily you can use for like using classes, you can use Bootstrap. And it is very helpful for making responsive websites. That's why it's very helpful for using Bootstrap. Next is MEI material. So MEI material, yeah, it is also from React UI tools, where we can MEI offers a comprehensive suite for free UI tools to help you ship new feature faster. And start with MEI Material UI, our fully loaded component library, or bring your own design system to a production ready component. We can simply we can import or install like Material UI. See, simply we can install this and then start using UI. See, we can start with only simply we can install and then import this code and then simply we can got these buttons like add items. So simply we can use MEI material. And if you are using this, so it is easy to like you can't you did not you will not write the code. Simply you can import and then copy this code and then paste it. So you got this add item and add item button. And third is like Tailwind CSS. So it is also like a framework. So easily you can install in like you are using in React or like index.html file. So easily you can install for like here is a like framework specific guide that cover recommended approach to installing Tailwind CSS in number of popular environments. Like if you want to like if you are making project in Next.js, so click on this Next.js and then install this like and create app at latest and follow these all steps. Okay, and then add this post css.config.mjs and follow these steps. You can in Next.js. If you are like Laravel, Next, you are using parcel, matter, like that. So you can simply click and then copy it and then paste it. So easily you can use these things in Tailwind CSS. And if you are using this, so it is like your website, it will be automatically responsive. So that's all about like all frameworks like Bootstrap, MEI materials, and Tailwind CSS. So if you have any doubts, so you can comment out. So that's all about this video. I hope you understood. If you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you.